Today I will show you how to make banana noodles. To make banana noodles, all you need is a banana peel. And I will show you how. The first step is to separate the peel piece by piece. And the second step is to extract the noodles from the peel. So take one piece first. Grab your knife. Just carefully run your knife in between the outer peel of the banana and the inner noodles of the banana. And be careful, try not to break the noodles. And you just do this. And there you go. You extracted 3 strings of banana noodles. There you go. That's 2 strings of banana noodles. Once you have harvested all the banana noodles, it's time to cook them. To your saucepan, add 300 milliliters of water, and that is the amount of water for 1 banana. Bring it to a boil, and remember to add salt to the water. Always add salt to your pasta water so the pasta doesn't turn out bland. You can add some extra salt because we're actually not using this water. Now the water is boiling. You can go ahead and dump in your banana noodles. Remember, fresh banana pasta takes only a very short amount of time to cook. It is not the dry one. So about 1 minute in the water and it will be cooked. After 1 minute, the banana spaghetti has been cooked. Now just adding a little bit of olive oil, just a splash. And top with your favorite pasta sauce. Get a little bit more on there. Top this all up with your favorite green as garnish. I like some chopped cilantro. You can pick chopped parsley or green onion, up to you. And voila, there you go, banana spaghetti. Bon appetit!